You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn and break down how to pronounce those names, okay? The names of the two molecules, the two medications that are combined into this brand name. We'll look at all of this together. Let's start with the first name, Clotrimazole, Clotrimazole, with a stress on the tri syllable, Clotrimazole. Second word is Betamethasone, beta or better, depending if you're American or UK, Betamethasone, Betamethasone or Betamethasone. Alright, did you get those two? Clotrimazole, Betamethasone. The name of the brand, you can just call it that. It's a bit simpler. Lotrisone, Lotrisone. And now you know it all, right? Am I right? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.